Hi guys, I'm going to make a quick DIY car side diffuser for all types of cars. Here's what I get. A scrap from the fluorescent lamp canopy. I just stick it from everywhere. If you have this one in your garage, just stick it and make this a simple DIY car side diffuser. But make sure to use heat gun to fold this one easily, and use cable knife to fold it like this one. This is not ordinary plastic, this is a carbon made, but I suggest you to use face mask to protect you from inhaling it. Now I'm going to cut the edge for the sidings of your car fittings. And use battery drill to make holes on it. But you need also to prepare the araldite or any kind of adhesive available in your house. Just put it at the back of the fold. Same with the other sides. And prepare sandpapers just to sand it. Now it's done. Any kind of sandpaper, 400 to 1000, and spray cans, white, primer, and red, the primary color. And now if you have edge protector that we call edge protector, this one coming from my work, so I took it to my pocket. This one is the red one without the edge protector, as you can see, and this one with edge protector. Thank you guys. God bless. Keep safe always.